Another video courtesy of robotminded.com. As our technology rapidly advances, robotics in space travel have become increasingly common in the last few decades. Robotics play a major role in space travel, like controlling and maintaining spacecrafts, allowing us to explore further and deeper into the outer space. Robotics has advanced our space programs and has helped open up the possibility of space tourism, as well as allowing us to better explore other planets. In particular, robotics have become an integral part of the explorations of Mars. NASA's rover Curiosity, for instance, is the first rover to explore the planet, helped by robotic components such as 4 cameras and a drill. The rover is also able to detect various elements like calcium, phosphate, and sulfur. Robotics have made it possible to explore the surface of Mars in more detail, and have brought us closer to understanding the possibility of sustaining life on Mars. By using robotics, our missions to Mars have become more cost and time efficient. The robotic components have allowed us to gradually travel further and further away from Earth. Robotics also allow us to launch and send probes to outer space like the Perseverance and InSight mission, which have the purpose of exploring and mapping the Red Planet. In addition, the use of robotics allows us to reduce the risk of human astronaut casualties in many of the more dangerous space missions. Space exploration is only possible due to the advancements we have made in robotic technology. It is thanks to the advancements of robotics that human beings have been able to explore the Red Planet and continue to push the boundaries of space exploration. Robotics will continue to be a key part of our space exploration, as it continues to expand our knowledge and capabilities in space travel. With more robots in space travel, it is likely that our exploration will only expand, and these robots will help us learn more about life on other planets, allowing us to make space exploration even more accessible. The advent of space travel has been made possible in large part due to the development of robotics. Robotics continue to be a major focus in the advancement of space exploration. Though robotic exploration has been successful, there are potential risks that must be considered when relying on robots to perform space exploration. The most obvious risk of space exploration through robotics is the potential for mission failure. If the robot malfunctions, it could have serious consequences. Robotic failures can lead to significant losses of money and possible injury or death to crew members if humans are involved with the mission. Additionally, due to the remote nature of space travel, the time for repairs could be significantly longer. A second risk is the possibility of a compromised mission due to poor communication with the robotic vehicles. The robotic spacecraft and probes rely on radio communication with Earth for a safe return. If communication is compromised, it can lead to potential malfunction and be hazardous for both robotic and human crew members. We must also consider the potential risks of radiation exposure. Space is filled with ionizing radiation, and this can pose great risks to both robotic and human crew members. Robotic spacecrafts and probes must be protected with strong radiation shields. Though radiation exposure is a small risk in terms of space travel, finally, robotic space exploration poses the risk of potential technological failure. Robotics rely on complex and sophisticated technology which can be prone to failures. Additionally, robots may miss important facts or information which could have a considerable impact on a mission. As such, decision makers and mission control must factor in these risks when planning their mission. Robotics continue to be a great part of space travel, and with the proper precautions and research, we can use robotics to explore further and deeper into our universe. Though robotics do present risks, the potential rewards make them an integral part of space exploration today and in the future. Continue to look to Robot Minded for more insights into the ever-increasing use of technology in our lives. Like, follow, and hit that notification bell to stay current. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment on our video series brought to you courtesy of robotminded.com.